Hey everybody, it's Justin at MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and today I'm excited to actually walk you through this boat. This is a 19 Montauk made by Boston Whaler, 2026. I love the way this boat's equipped. This is a beautiful boat for the sound. It is the most fun boat to drive out of all of them that I get to drive. Let's talk about it. It's got a 150 Mercury upgraded engine, white paint to match the white hull with the red classic Whaler striping. Boat is going to look amazing in the water. It does come with this T-top. You can see in the piping it is white, powder coated, not black. It has teak boarding steps and a teak swim platform option. As you come around, you're going to notice the aft seating package. This aft seating package is great. It makes you feel tucked in while underway and a nice comfy position while we're underway and hitting some chop. You can see I've got my hand here. This is the tow bar. It's not only great for water sports, it protects your engine and it gives you an extra handle as you're climbing back up aboard if you took a swim. It's a great feature to have on this boat. Talking about these aft seats, if we're going to take this aft seat and not use it, we can unsnap those 3 snaps underneath. The cushion comes off and this backrest just comes right out of 2 rod holders. So you will have 4 rod holders on this boat on the aft, which gives you a chance to troll while fishing right around and anywhere in the river or the sound here in Connecticut. Putting it back in with ease, just slides in, and there you have your backrest. Moving forward here to the helm, you're going to notice the classic center console Montauk seat. This seat does lift and pivot and turn into a leaning post while underway, or to sit back and relax while driving. At the helm, looking at an oversized Simrad screen, beautiful here, all touchscreen, easy to see. The JL audio system with JL speakers, which is a great feature. This sounds on the water, you can hear the music. And this is equipped with a VHF Simrad, which is integrated into the system. We're going to take a walk out to the bow as you're looking around here. Coming out to the bow, this does have the upgraded Yeti cooler. No more Igloo. We upgraded it to a Yeti with the backrest and the seat. What a great position to sit while underway and heading out in the sound. Very comfortable. Boston Whaler has made the bow seating collapsible or foldable for easy storage. The older ones was one big pad, and they upgraded this into 2 separate sections you can fold and stow in the center if you don't want them aboard. There also is an anchor locker and a fish locker, which is insulated. And if you're not fishing, you can use this fish locker as another cooler. It is insulated and it is self-bailing. Last feature I really want to talk about as I'm closing this is the bow rail. If you notice, you'll see you have a high split bow rail. The split bow rail option on this boat is an amazing option. If we're running up the Connecticut River and we go to Hamburg Cove and I want to anchor up, it's nice and easy to pull the anchor out, throw it in between the split bow rail and tie it off on the cleat. Easy to use, easy to take care of. If you'd like to know more about this boat, feel free to give me a call, 860-399-5581, or come on down to our showroom, 627 Boston Post Road in Westbrook, Connecticut. We look forward to seeing you, and until we do, take care.